We look out at night, it's dark. It's lovely. And we look out in the daytime, it's green. It's very soothing.
And it's quiet.
It's quiet. We have trees all around, so yeah. The first thing I wanted to sculpt was a salmon. It was connected with, I don't know, new life, and, having the feeling that there was this entity under the water. It was this spirit that was underneath the water, and it was a very strong feeling.
There was a kind of an awakening moment. The salmon just kicked its tail and it was gone. This beautiful, beautiful being and this mystery about it and this power about it that I never forgot. And so it's my life's been haunted by salmon ever since that moment.
I really like it that I feel very at home in my own home and in the forest that surrounds us. To feel at home here in this forest this is my favorite place. It felt important to us to preserve this forest, such as it is. It's 12 and a half acres. It's been preserved now for 100 years.
This is my favorite place, and all kinds of things happen here. There's a family of ravens. There are geese that come in the fall, spring. There's a frog chorus that happens in the spring. There are cougar, there are bobcats, there are bear, deer. So we live in the middle of the wilderness, and it's great.
Well, I think the fact that there is still nature here does play a bigger role because there's more awareness and people come here for it. Maybe we can avoid some of the mistakes that have been made elsewhere.
There's a way in which nature can be romanticized and nature can be idealized. It actually becomes a commodification. It's a place that has deep natural health, and economy comes third or fourth in that, not first.
Well, I think it's a matter of learning to live in context, and this is a certain context, and to tune into where we are at this time. We can't love something we don't know. We have to love it in order to keep it. I think if we're in communication with our surroundings, we can't help but be protected by it. There are so many forces, powerful forces working against even logical carbon reduction. It's daunting. It's up to the young people because the young people understand it, I think, and if the young people can keep on moving in this direction, yeah, there's hope. We're right at the tipping point.
I think as artists, at least this is the way I imagine my role as an artist, is to bear witness, to make objects that tell stories about what I see and what I understand, or what I hope. If you're in nature, don't be afraid to stop and be silent and listen and take in what nature has to say or what nature has to show